This video app review is brought to you by the iPhoneAppReview.com.
What's up, everybody? This is Luke Patrick with the iPhoneAppReview.com. Today we are slinging out yet another iPhone app review via video, this time taking a look at a sharing application called Everypost. Share all the things was my joke for those internet-enabled people out there. The application is available for free in the App Store, which is always an incentive no matter who you are. And here's the end result. So if you couldn't tell by the title or by sort of the icons that you're seeing here, as well as the gigantic post button, the app is very much concerned with helping you share information, videos, pictures, text, that sort of thing, to a variety of different platforms. And it also supports, I would say, uploading, importing, I guess is a good word, from a different sort of variety of platforms as well. You've got YouTube, Flickr, and Grooveshark for the music. All of that is included. So with that in mind, we're going to go ahead and just sort of pop into the sysprevs, or system preferences as the not-so-hip might call it, very quickly, just to kind of show you around. Essentially, you've got a list of social networks, and these are the ones that you can share to. You've got Facebook, Twit, Google+, Pinterest, and Tumblr, or as we like to call them, social, knitting, and angst. But actually, we do use all of these pretty frequently, so I shouldn't knock them too much. Or Ghost Town, sorry, that was Ghost Town Plus is my other joke. Anyway, moving on, if you want to add any of these, you simply swipe them into the on position. The app, being an iPhone, obviously it will immediately try to find your information. So I don't have Facebook on my iPod here, otherwise it would load that up. Doesn't bother me too much, not bothered. Because instead we're going to go and actually boot up some of these others. So for instance, I think I have Google Plus enabled. I don't. Alright, fine. By the way, you get the sort of selection there. Whoops, I missed the... Curious, I did this earlier, and it asked me if I wanted to enable the app on my Twitter feed, which I've screwed up now, but that is okay. We can continue without it. It'll be fine. Really, I promise. So with that in mind, I'm just going to do Google Plus really quickly then. So let's do that. Give me 2 seconds to type this in. I want to be able to show you at least some sharing, otherwise what's the point, right? So this will take just a second. How are you guys? Are you doing well? Yes. I guess I could supply you with some nice music too. But I'm not going to sing. We're not going to do that. Okay, so we're logging in now. Now I have Google Plus enabled. That didn't take too long, did it? And of course all of these others work in the same fashion. If you want to do something like Tumblr, you can of course slide. They're all natively integrated, which is fantastic. It's extremely quick to do, and all of that is accessible. Also, there's a faster photo upload button if you would like, or you can simply preserve your... shall we say, integrity via photo there, if you would like to leave that off. So within this, I can simply tap the ones that I want to do once they've been enabled. So I've got Google Plus set up. I can click that on or off. I can type away and type a status, so testing if I want. Done. And I can also add a variety of different media as indicated. So I can do Flickr, I can do something for my video camera or my camera roll. One of the things involved with the camera roll is actually pretty cool. So let's pop into my camera roll really quickly, and I'll just grab something. This one looks good. It's already pre-edited, but there you go. It does give you a variety of different filters. These aren't, well, actually they're pretty comparable to what you might find with something like Instagram. They're not quite on the same level, but then again, we didn't expect them to be, and we didn't expect them at all, so it's quite a nice feature to see that here. Joyeuse is the one we're going to pick. It means joy. I don't know why it's called joy. Anyway. Apply, now I've got a single photo added, and I can indeed just share it to Google Plus if I would like. So for instance, I can hit post, it's posting, and it'll take just a second, and eventually it will be done. On that note, the app of course is free in the App Store, which makes it a tremendous value for just about anyone who uses more than one social network, which we happen to use at least a dozen for ourselves and also for our different clients that we deal with on a daily basis. Our only real complaint is that this dashboard is kind of bland looking, but at the same time it's very utilitarian, so no real complaints there. We also like the ability to add multiple Twitter accounts. That's nice, and Pinterest is a nice addition too, because a lot of our clients are asking for Pinterest. So having that is convenient. So all in all, if you do use more than one social network, this free app makes it a lot easier to manage those items, and it is a lot groovier with it. Plus, it's free. There are other applications that could manage this, but then again, this one won't cost you a single dime. So with all that in mind, we are going to give it a 4.5 out of 5-star rating from us here at the iPhoneAppReview.com. And that's pretty much all we have to say about it. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and sign out, but we will see you guys later.